Today I want to show you guys how simple it is to make your first $100 with Whop or online overall. This will be a completely raw video. I won't edit it. I just want to quickly show you guys all the proof and everything of how simple it is. And in this video I'm gonna specifically be talking about clipping on Whop. There are multiple ways to make money on Whop, but I'm gonna be talking about clipping today. So let me show you my first $100 personally. It was with this Ashton Hall campaign, which was like at the end of May, basically. That's when I started Whop overall. And as you can see, this is well over $100. And this was all in one day, as you can see, May 19th, May 19th, 19th. All of these were like the same day or a few days apart, I guess. And I didn't even get paid out for some because the campaign ended, as you can see here. So yeah, that's how simple it is to make your first $100 on Whop. It took me like no skill to make those videos. And this is, for example, one of them. As you can see, it's not even that good, and it still got views and it paid me decently. The hardest part about making money on Whop is finding the right campaign, especially nowadays. There's not that many out there. You have to look like for a long time to find a good campaign. It's not easy. I'm in some private ones currently, so I'm doing those right now. But if you're just starting out, it might be hard to find some campaigns these days, but you can still definitely do it. Anyone can do Whop. It's really simple. For example, this is one of my buddies. He's at over 3K. This is another one of my guys. He's sitting at over 30K right now. This is an old screenshot. These are my earnings, so I'm closing in on 10K now. And this is another one of my guys. He's sitting at 5K. It's really that simple, guys. If you want me to make more videos about Whop, teaching you exactly how to make money, just let me know. But yeah, that's it for today's video.